Hey y'all, what's up? I'm sick right now. I have a cold and colds suck. You've all had them. But do you not feel like when you have a cold where you feel like sneezing, but you just can't, you can't sneeze. And you want to sneeze so bad because like the tingling in your nose is bugging you so bad. Well, I have the hint for you. If that is happening, this is what you should do. You should go in your kitchen. Well, I'm already in my kitchen. Go to a cupboard and get pepper. And you can smell it, and it'll for surely make you sneeze. Unless it doesn't. That'd be weird. But, okay, so for some reason, when I smell pepper, it doesn't make me sneeze. It doesn't make me sneeze, but for other people it does. So if you're one of those people who it doesn't make you sneeze, then really nothing makes me sneeze. So I'm like, I wish pepper made me sneeze, but so pepper will probably make you sneeze. It doesn't make me sneeze. Sadly, I need to sneeze so bad right now. Okay.